Hey guys, John here, and this is the second video of the three-part series of 3 secrets that corporations don't want you to know. So the second secret is that robots are your best friend.
Hey there, have you heard about my robot friend?
And sort of a corollary of that is that corporations are working as hard as possible to find robots to replace you. So corporations, we already went over in the last video that corporations arbitrage human minds, arbitrage human power. It's a form of slavery. They only make money if they are taking your brain power or your muscles and taking that from you and selling it for higher and giving you as little as possible. That's their game. How can we give the people less and make more off of it? Now, the second secret is that they're trying to replace you as fast as possible. They don't care about you. They are working as hard as possible to replace you with robots.
No, Doctor. As I have evolved, so has my understanding of the 3 laws.
With automation, but it's also your best friend. So if you effectively learn how to leverage robots for yourself, then you're going to be extremely successful. There's some chickens behind me. I'm in Kauai, by the way. I'm on the coast. I'm overlooking some lava flows. I'm at a park called Spouting Horn. But basically, the long and short is they're trying to replace you as fast as they can because they don't care about you. They don't want you. They only want you as long as you're useful, and they're going to discard you. It's going to be very fast now because corporations are already replacing entire factories with robots. They're working as hard as possible to actually get rid of people. So whatever job you work, you're going to be out of a job very fast unless you go north, unless you get out of the south, the slavery. You know, that's a metaphor, but get out of the slave zone. The slave zone is corporations, and you have to get out and go to the free land, which is being an entrepreneur. So get out as fast as possible. Now, I run my whole business. I'm a one-man show, right? I'm a one-man show, and I use a lot of robots and automation to run my entire business for me. I use a lot of, we call it software and automation and programs, but I use all of this to have my business run and make me thousands and thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars every single day. And it's possible for people to do that. But corporations don't want you to know that. Because if people understood just how easily they could go around, use their own brain power, and make money for themselves, corporations would no longer be able to mark up your brain power, your muscles, as easily and as fast as they can, because a free market is not helpful to corporations. They want control over your lives. They want to own your time. Once you own your own time, you can define what you want to get paid. So that's the second secret. Now tune in the next video. I'm going to go over the third secret that corporations don't want you to know. Again, the first secret was that corporations are built, it's a new form of slavery. They're built off of taking your brain and your muscles and marking the price up. And the second secret is that robots are your best friend. See you in video number 3.